Hi, this is Mike, Family DIY TV on the YouTube, and I'm with my hybrid water heater, and it won't connect to the Wi-Fi, or it won't connect to the Econet app. This is something I get a lot in the comments. I made a bunch of videos about this specific unit, and I want to help you guys troubleshoot that, and I want to help you get this on your Wi-Fi so that you can use the Econet app, which opens up a world of possibilities. We're going to do that now in this video. Let's do it. Okay, so you're with your hybrid water heater. I'm assuming the reason why you're watching this video is because you can't connect this to the Wi-Fi. Now, before I show you how to do that, what I'm going to ask you to do is to subscribe to the channel. And the reason why I'm going to ask you is this is it's a free gift for you. I did about 9 to 10 videos on the specific unit talking about the Econet app that it has, talking about how much money it saves, how much money is to install, how to use the Econet app to regulate your temperature, how to save energy with it, all kinds of things. So I would suggest if you have one of these, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, tell me what you think. You know, I also put all my water heater attire. You'll notice I wear the same outfit in all those other water heater videos. So anyway, we're gonna get started here. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna ask you to do is get your Wi-Fi password. You might be sitting there thinking you're putting the right Wi-Fi password in, but you're not. So what I would suggest you do is go to your phone, go to your Wi-Fi, disconnect from your Wi-Fi, okay? Then reconnect and actually type the password in your phone and make sure that the password you're using is the right password, okay? So step one, get your Wi-Fi password and verify that it's correct. This might be what you might be asking, well, how do I even do that? Go to settings, and then you're going to look for Wi-Fi. You're going to click on your house Wi-Fi, and you're literally going to hit forget this network. I'm not going to show you, but I'm going to forget the network. Do you want to forget? And I'm going to hit yes. So that network's forgotten. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reconnect to it. I'm going to put the password in. That's how I verify that it's the correct password. Okay, so now I'm reconnected to my Wi-Fi. I'm putting my password in. I'm going to hit join. Now I know what my password is. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is we're going to power cycle the Wi-Fi, and we're going to power cycle this unit. We're also going to kill the Econet app on our phone, okay? So to power cycle your Wi-Fi, you're going to go to your Wi-Fi, and you're just going to unplug it from the wall, okay? Wait about 30 seconds, plug it back in. To power cycle this unit, you're going to go to your circuit breaker box, and you're going to just turn off the power to this unit, and turn it back on, okay? To kill the app on your phone, depending on your phone you have, you're gonna have to, it depends, you're gonna have to get the app and remove it, okay? So what this does is it basically brings us back down, brings us back to, you know, square one, right? To beginning, all right? Now we're gonna go through the steps of actually reconnecting this to Wi-Fi. Before you do anything here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your phone. You're going to download the Econet app. So the Econet app looks like that. It's called Econet. And you're going to set up a username and password. Write the username and password on your water heater or wherever. Okay. That's step one. Step two is we're going to go to the water heater. Okay. Now what you're going to do after you have your Econet account is you're going to go to your water heater. You're going to hit settings. You're going to hit Wi-Fi setup. You're going to hit get started. Okay. So this says download the Econet app, which you've already done. Use the app to create an Econet account, which you've done, which is username and password. Then you're going to tap Wi-Fi setup. So I already clicked that, but it would be blinking here. So you're going to click Wi-Fi setup. You can see mine is set up in progress. So now I'm going to move on to my phone. So setup in progress. We're going to come to the phone. Connect now. We're going to look at what product do we have. We have an Econet. Okay, it's asking me, do you want to join this network? So what this is doing, this is actually becoming a hotspot. This is actually sending out a signal, okay? And I'm going to click join. So this is now going to connect to this device. And you're seeing it doing right now. Still going. We're about 30 seconds in. at this point, this is where you're gonna need your actual Wi-Fi, your home Wi-Fi settings. Okay, so I'm gonna click on my Wi-Fi and I'm gonna put my password in. I'm not gonna show you this obviously, but here it's asking me for my house Wi-Fi. And after it did that, it gave me, for some reason, it's telling me it's troubleshooting, and now it's connected. So now it just came up, it said internet connected, and this has literally just changed and says connected to the internet. And now my phone just changed, and you can see it's now connected to the device. And it just gives me a couple signals. So now I can go in here, and I can mess with this. So I'll go back to the home screen, and you can see I can control this. I'll turn this all the way up and you'll see it change here. Oh. Okay, I remember seeing this when I initially did this, okay? So once I put the password in, it took about 2 to 3 minutes for this to start communicating with the phone, okay? So you may be seeing that as well. So after you put the password in your phone to your Wi-Fi and it says it gives you all the successful messages and everything looks good, walk away for about 5 minutes. Let it talk to the servers, the Rheem servers, and let everything kind of sync up, because what I just saw is about a 3 to 4 minute delay. But now you can see, I didn't do anything else. Now you can see if I change this here, it'll change it there. Okay, I'll show you, I'll get a little bit closer here. And I'll show you again. So you can see this says 129, this says 129. I'll put it back down to 117 and you see it changes 117 there. Okay, 135, I'll just turn it on. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna turn it back down. Turn off. I'm gonna just turn it off, okay? So there you go. That's how you connect to the Wi-Fi, how you connect to the app. If you want to know how to use this app, I'll put a link to the app right here. I'll also put a link to the playlist of all of my videos on this specific unit that talk about payback and money and how to use the schedules, how to use the app. I'll put that at the end of the video, okay? And I hope this helped you. But before we end the video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick recap. So let's recap. The first thing we did is we validated that we actually had the correct Wi-Fi password. Then we power cycled everything. We power cycled the water heater, we power cycled our routers, okay? And if you can, power cycle your internet coming into your house. That doesn't make any sense, you should just need to do the router, but you might as well just power cycle everything that has to do with the internet in your house, okay? Then what we did is we downloaded the Econet app, we made a username and password for the Econet app, and we were then signed into the Econet app on our phone. Then we came here and we hit settings, we hit Wi-Fi setup, and we followed the prompts and we connected it to the Wi-Fi. After it successfully took our home router's password, we saw about a 5-minute delay. Okay, so it looks like everything's working, right? But you're sitting there trying to control it and it's not working. Walk away for 5 minutes, come back, I guarantee it'll work. I've done this multiple times. I did power cycle this thing a couple times. I'm telling you, it works. And that's it. So I hope this helped you. If it did, again, please hit that subscribe button. Please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching and watch these videos here. And thank you. I'm out.